Hi! Welcome to my channel. At kung bago ka lang dito ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin lang ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong math tutorial videos.
For today's lesson, you are going to learn division of whole numbers and decimal numbers. Let's have this first example. 35 and 75 hundredths divided by 5. Step number 1. Put the decimal point in the quotient aligned with the decimal point in the dividend. Ibig sabihin, maglalagay tayo ng decimal point sa quotient o sa taas, kapantay ng decimal point sa dividend. Step 2. Divide like whole numbers. Dito, i-ignore lang natin ang decimal at magdi-divide lang tayo katulad ng ginagawa natin sa whole numbers. So, 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. 7 times 5 is equal to 35. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. Then, bring down 7. Tapos, repeat lang natin ang process. Divide, multiply, and subtract. So, 7 divided by 5, or ilan daw 5 meron sa 7? Tama, 1. Then, 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Bring down 5. Then, divide ulit. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Tapos, multiply. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Then, subtract. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So, our final answer is 7 and 15 hundredths. For example number 2, dividing decimal by decimal. 23 and 8 tenths divided by 7 tenths. Step number 1, change the divisor into a whole number by moving the decimal point to one or more places to the right. Step number 2, move the decimal point of the dividend the same number of places as the divisor. And for step number 3, divide like whole numbers. 23 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Then 23 minus 21 is equal to 2. Bring down 8. 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. And 28 minus 28 is equal to 0. So our final answer is 34. And for our last example, 23 and 8 tenths divided by 4 hundredths. Step number 1, change the divisor into a whole number by moving the decimal point to one or more places to the right. 1, 2. So dito, pwede na nating alisin yung 0. Step number 2, move the decimal point of the dividend the same number of places as the divisor. And note, insert zeros to the dividend when needed. So, 1, 2. So, dito class, merong empty space. So, maglalagay tayo ng 0. Then, step number 3, divide like whole numbers. So, 23 divided by 4, or ilan daw 4 meron sa 23? Tama, 5. Then 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Then subtract natin, 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. Tapos, bring down natin ang 8. Then 38 divided by 4 is equal to 9. And 9 times 4 is 36. 38 minus 36 is equal to 2. Bring down 0. And 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4, 20. 20 minus 20 is 0. So our final answer is 595. So hanggang dito na lang class. Kung meron kayong hindi naintindihan o meron kayong katanungan, ilagay lang sa ating comment section at isa-isa natin yung sasagutin. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang i-like, subscribe, and share. Muli, maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless.